You won my heart, LA team. I'm not happy with it. I'm not. I can't. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arundhati and I make videos on lifestyle, fashion, skincare, makeup and everything that is related to me. आज का टॉपिक आप लोग टाइटल देख के ऑलरेडी आपको समझ आ गया होगा. It's a full face makeup with using only one brand, LE18. A few days ago, I received a PR package from the brand LA18 and I was so super excited to receive it because it's my first PR package from a makeup brand which has it all. It's like a proper PR package. It's all new launches from LA18, so you will get a review, swatches and everything together in a package in this video. If this is something that interests you, then do keep watching. Let me show you the bag, the pretty pink bag which I got from L18. इसमें मेरा पूरा PR package आया था. Anyway, those people who are wondering कि ये तो PR package का products है, तो she must be giving reviews based on that and blah blah blah. To be very honest with you guys, yes, we also do collabs जहाँ पे we need to talk about the brands as well because that's how we earn as well. So that is true, but this particular video is a non-sponsored video because मुझे जो package मिला था उसके लिए whatever I did, the deliverables I had to give, that was for Instagram and not for YouTube. So YouTube में मैं जो भी बना रही हूँ, so far YouTube में whatever videos you have जहाँ पे I have not mentioned कि this is a sponsored video, वो छोड़ के all of the other videos are generally non-sponsored videos. So whatever opinions I give, whatever reviews I give, that is my personal opinion, my personal reviews. आपको अगर जानना होगा कि ये वीडियो स्पॉन्सर्ड है या नहीं है, यू कैन जस्ट गो डायरेक्टली टू माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड वहाँ पे मैं एकदम बड़ा बड़ा करके लिख के रखती हूँ कि दिस इज अ नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो एंड जब वो कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो होता है आई मेंशन दैट. एंड दे gave me a very cute छोटू सा very mini सा एकदम बहुत ही cute travel friendly primer. This is their Ace Base Primer from LA18 and I took a pea size of it. मेरा कैमरा पे समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आई डोंट नो. मेरा ये वाला साइड दिस एरिया हैज क्वाइट लार्ज पोर्स एंड प्राइमर का काम होता है टू hold the makeup for longer period of time and also to hide and blur the pore areas. तो मैं full face पे apply नहीं करती. Only the places where I feel I have large pores, I apply there. So in order to get that blurry, oh nice, blurry finish. Not bad. Especially मेरा ये वाला area have large pores, this area. So this is how the primer is doing. It's doing a pretty okay job. It's not something that I can hype about, but yeah, ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है. Okay. Moving forward, we'll have the foundation, but unfortunately, I do not have a foundation over here, but I do have 4 different shades of CC cream over here. The 4 shades. अब मुझे नहीं पता है कि इसके अलावा there are other shades or not that are available online or in some other websites or not. So मैं check करके description box में दे दूंगी there are other shades available or not. And I have the shade beige, caramel, bronze, ivory. So today I will only use the shade which is of my skin tone. So people who are of my skin tone otherwise can go for this one. This shade is bronze. As because it's a CC cream, you can directly just rub it with your hands. But I'll show it with beauty blender. I'm more comfortable with that. So I'll show it with that. Brush के साथ तो आप नहीं कर सकते, मतलब कर सकते हो, नहीं कर सकते ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But एक तो सीसी क्रीम का कवरेज ऑलरेडी बहुत कम रहता है. It's something that gives your skin tint वाला finish. And I know beauty blender will absorb a lot of it. But beauty blender से मुझे finish ज़्यादा better लगता है. And I also use brush. But brush यूज करने के बाद भी I once I dab it with the beauty blender so that कोई भी harsh lines ना लगे, कुछ भी uneven ना लगे. Anyway, we'll talk about the CC cream a little bit. You can see over here, it is exactly looking like my skin. So this shade match is top notch. And if you see ये जो साइड पोर्शंस है ना फेस का द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट्स वहां पे इट डिड नॉट क्रीज. इट्स लुकिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक माई ओन स्किन. दैट इज समथिंग आई एम रियली लाइकिंग. एंड अनलाइक अदर सीसी क्रीम्स आई हैव यूज्ड दो सीसी क्रीम ऑल्सो जो एक वाइट कास्ट छोड़ता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट दिस इज नॉट डूइंग इट. इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी glow within all a look, which I'm liking a lot. It's like a skin tint. I am not a CC cream girl much, but had to say it कि इतने कम प्राइस में if I'm getting a CC cream which is doing such like this good job, can you see? ये वाला पार्ट मैंने कोई हाइलाइटर कुछ नहीं यूज किया है. I have just done my skin prep before, बस moisturizer, toner and that's it. And this is how the CC cream is bringing the finish. People who are of my shade, you can like close your eyes and go for the shade bronze. It's a very good CC cream. And हर रोज के लिए ना it is not possible to apply foundation. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है वो चेहरे के लिए. Moving forward, I have blush to show you guys. So this is the blush given again a very cute and sassy packaging. Look at this. Such a cute product. I loved it. इनका packaging इतना ज़्यादा cute है and sassy. This black color packaging is very sassy. It is travel friendly. You can directly like put it in your wallet and go on the go. So my shade is 03 red and to be honest, ये सब products मैंने इसके पहले use किया है. So my reviews are perfectly honest and I'll show you the swatch here once. You see? It's like a proper blood red color. Proper blood red. See? But trust me, whenever you will apply it on the skin, it will give a very natural, very Kashmiri lal wala finish, you know. I'll show you what I'm talking about. 3 dots on this side and 3 oh खत्म ही हो गया and 3 on this side. Little bit tint of it on the nose and on the lips. I am a blush girl. अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे follow करते हो, then you will know I am a totally blush girl. Previously, when I started doing makeup, I used to be a highlighter girl, but now I have completely converted into a blush girl. I cannot go out without a blush. Like if I have something, if I'm about to meet somebody, you can give me nothing, literally nothing. Concealer and blush, and I'm set. So I love blushes, and especially cream blush. This is also a cream blush. It's not a liquid blush. The formula was creamy in texture. So yeah, this is a cream blush and you can see the effects. Can you say it? It's literally, मुझे नहीं पता camera is doing justice or not right now, but it's literally, like that original blush which comes from within, एकदम natural flush of color. वो जो होता है ना कुछ लोग बहुत white skin tone होते हैं and बाहर जाने से धूप में आने से एकदम natural वाला जो लाल होता है ना, this is the exact color. I absolutely love it. Okay, moving forward, I have the eyeshadow with me. And I am not in the mood of going all blinky over here. I'll show you all the shades though. But let me tell you one thing. I am a girl who goes for matte shades about eyeshadow instead of blinky shades. These are the 6 shades, 3 shimmer shades, 3 matte shades. At first, I will use this shade. While doing my eyeshadow, there is a probability that I will look on this side because I have my mirror on this side. So do ignore that part. I'll take this shade as the look for today. And I'll apply it on the outer corner first for both the ends. Ooh, not bad. I have to say okay, the pigmentation of this eyeshadow are real good. Like एक swatch में, the pigmentation is good. I do like it. I have two kind of kajal over here. One is this black one and one is the brown one. Both are very good. I have used both. मुझे ये brown वाला तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. And L18 के काजल के बारे में I do not speak ill because college time पे I do used to use L18 kajal the most and I used to love it. Don't worry about pigmentation of L18 kajal. It's very good. I'm choosing brown today because I'm in the mood. Simple. Black तो रोज पहनती हूँ. Why not brown today, you know?
These stunts are supervised by professionals. Do not try it at home.
You can see this. It's looking very pretty, very gorgeous, very classy. Now I will move ahead and do some mascara on top of this because इतना सुंदर आई लुक क्रिएट किया है मैंने फॉर डेली यूज. अगर इसके ऊपर मैंने मस्कारा नहीं दिया तो मैंने क्या ही किया है ना. L18 mascara that I have received in the package. And so this is the L18 Eye Drama Mascara. Let's see the wand. Oh, the wand is very different. मेरा ऐसा कोई wand है नहीं, to be honest. Okay. I'm a little disappointed. मैंने उम्मीद किया था कि ये वाला प्रोडक्ट will be my in my favorite list now. Wand देख के स्पेशली मेरा expectations बहुत high हो गया था. L18 you can do better. Honestly, you can. It's not bad to be honest और कैमरे में ये सही ही लग रहा है. But as I told you, my expectations is very high from mascara, and mascara is something that has to do a really outstanding job for me because there are people, there are girls who are born with no lashes at all. I consider the price point, and at this price point, I do have other favorites. So, no, 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 no. I have 3 lip products which I would like to swatch one by one. I don't think so कि ये मैं आज ही swatch कर पाऊंगी because my look will not go with this. But sure, I'll make a different shots for this. I already have a different shots for this शायद, but मैंने ये वाला lip shade as a eyeshadow use किया था. And it got really good reviews by you guys, by the way. Thank you so much for that. But today I will not use it. Iska lip swatch I'll provide later. And I will use both of this, I guess. This is the lip tint, lit lip color by L18. I'll rose peach color, I would say. This is how the swatch is. I'll just apply a little much in the center. I'll use my finger to warm it up. I love it. It's a very, like those Korean girls who love finish. I like it. Now, moving ahead, I have a lip gloss here. So, let me swatch it again for you guys. This is how the lip gloss looks like. Let me tell you कि it is very pretty gloss, very very pretty gloss. आज का वीडियो मैं यहीं पे खत्म करती हूँ. आशा करती हूँ कि ये लुक, ये एवरीडे लुक जो मैंने क्रिएट किया यहाँ पे by using only L18 products आपको अच्छा लगा हो. And I hope you have found useful my opinions and everything that I have gave in this particular video. अगर आपको इस टाइप का वीडियो देखना पसंद है where I will do a full face of makeup using only one brand product, then do shower some love for this video ताकि मुझे पता चले कि you are liking it and I'll make more of it, I promise. And yeah, with that note, I'll do a tata bye bye for now and we'll see you again in another pretty interesting topic in another video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy. Adios.